ចាជម្រាបសួរនៅយើងលោកតាបងប្អូនញមិត្តចិត្តឆ្ងាយចានេះស្ងោរម្រះខ្ញុំបានចិត្តឆ្អិនណាចាខ្ញុំដាក់មកងាស់វាប្រហែលជាខ្ទង់5-10មិនិតទៅលោកតាវាអត់តផុយម្ល៉េះហើយទៅខ្ញុំចាដាក់មកងាស់វាតតសាច់ម្រះឡើងផុយបាននឹងមិនឆ្ងាញ់ចា See my stuff it and bitter melon with ground chicken, you know, all the yummy stuff has been cooking about I would say 15 minutes now. So I have to keep going until you know at least another 15 more minutes. We'll check it every 5 minutes. Yeah, if they become tender and then you could, you know. ចានេះម្រះខ្ញុំបានញាត់សាច់ហើយនៅយើងតាចាឥឡូវខ្ញុំបានដាំទឹកធ្វើsnow ស្ងោរម្រះនៅយើងតាចា Good afternoon everyone. I have chicken, ground chicken, big green onions, small noodles. It's I think beans they make from. So anyway, this one is got Asian noodle, very tiny. You soak with water about 5 minutes, 10 minutes until kind of soft a little bit, and then you cut them, chop them, and then you mix with ground chicken, green onion, salt, pepper, garlic powder, sesame oil, olive oil, and chicken bouillon a little bit, and mushroom bouillon a little bit powder. So I'm gonna make stuff it with bitter melon right here. នេះលោកតានេះខ្ញុំស្ងោរម្រះចាlike that. I have clean hand. You could see, I mean, because I mix with the ground chicken here. I don't want to wear the glove because how plastic glove they make from plastic, so I don't want to get into my food. It's just me, that's all. As long as you wash your hand real good, and then you could touch your food, for me, okay. Anyway, so I marinate all of that together and have bitter melon right here, Maria. I kind of take the inside out, like they have seed, they have other stuff. You skin them out and then wash them real good. So you cut them like that, and then you're gonna stuff it with chicken, the stuffing that I made. See, and then you just put it inside. ខ្ញុំញាត់ម្រះលោកយាយតាចាដាក់គ្រឿងចូលក្នុងហ្នឹងទៅចាដាក់ម្សៅដាក់អីចឹងសាច់មាន់ចាគ្រឿងក្រៅយើងស្លអញ្ចឹងអំបិលស្ករប៊ីចេងអញ្ចឹងចាស៊ុបមាន់ហើយទឹកខ្ទឹមអីចឹងចាហើយ you put it in like that, stuff it. They have on the bottom here both sides. You could add some more. Like one hand I hold the camera, and then one hand I have to do that, so it's not really good. So anyway, just want to share with you guys a little bit. If you would like to have bitter melon soup, yes, that's how we do it. You could put ground pork, it's okay, but for me it's just like ground chicken. ចាដាក់សាច់មាន់ក៏បានសាច់ជ្រូកក៏បានលោកយាយតាចាហើយពេលយើងចូលចិត្តអីដាក់ហ្នឹងទៅ See like that, and you could have it on the other side. Gonna stuff it a little bit more. There you have it. Okay, I have one here. Then later on, I have water. Same ingredient, fish sauce, black pepper. Oh, I forgot. I put black pepper inside the stuffing too, okay? Yeah, so, like salt, pepper, sugar, chicken bouillon, fish sauce, and mushroom, powder a little bit. So what like I you could, you know, pre-boil. I did about, you know, a few minutes ago. You know, you could turn on the heat and then you put this bitter melon inside. ដៃម្ខាងថតដៃម្ខាងឡប់បានល្អ Okay. Homemade stuffed ground chicken bitter melons with onion, green onion, fresh one, you know, black pepper, salt, sugar, fish sauce, chicken bouillon, mushroom bouillon, oyster sauce a little bit, black pepper, you know, all of that delicious ingredient. Okay, អរគុណច្រើនវិលោកតាជួបគ្នាចាសុខសប្បាយអរគ្នាចាម្រះស្ងោរម្រះខ្ញុំបានចិត្តឆ្អិនហើយចាខ្ញុំមកអត់តិចទៀតចាខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណច្រើនចាដែលបានចូលមើលចាខ្ញុំថតឲ្យវិលោកតាមើលចាគឺការអបសុករបស់ខ្ញុំវិលោកតាគឺតាមកពិតខ្ញុំអត់មានបានអាសេទេខ្ញុំថតខ្ញុំដាក់បញ្ចេញវីដេអូនឹងចេះតិចតែម៉ាស៊ីនក៏មិនដែលបានចានេះជាការចូលចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំចាអបសុកចាខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ប៉ាខ្ញុំនៅម៉ែខ្ញុំនៅចាប៉ាម៉ែខ្ញុំគាត់អ្នកធ្វើបុណ្យហើយប៉ាខ្ញុំគាត់ជាអ្នកថតចឹងចំណាំដើមគាត់ចូលចិត្តថតហើយខ្ញុំមិនដែលចូលចិត្តទេចាដល់ពេលប៉ាស្លាប់ចោលម៉ែស្លាប់ចោលចឹងដឹកគាត់ទៅក៏ថតគាត់នៅរស់បានតិចបន្តួចពី3វីដេអូចឹងពេលហើយទៅប៉ាថាមិនដែលបានឃើញឈានផុសស្អីខាបញ្ចេញខ្ញុំថាដល់ពេលគាត់ស្លាប់ចោលទៅបានខ្ញុំបញ្ចេញដាក់ YouTube ឲ្យចាពេលខ្ញុំដឹកគាត់ក៏ខ្ញុំមើលគាត់ចាអរគុណច្រើនអ្នកមានលោកតា Thank you so much everyone. I hope you enjoy my little share, you know, bitter melon soup with chicken, ground chicken, and you could try, you know, and enjoy your day. And don't forget, you know, if you give me a thumbs up and down, subscribe, like, and share, please. And I would like to have share some more videos. Okay, thank you. អរគុណច្រើនវិលោកតាសុខសប្បាយមីអូនកូនចៅចាប្រុសស្រីចាជួយមើលវីដេអូមីងហើយជួយចុច subscribe like share ផងចាដើម្បីមីងបានថតថែមទៀតចាអរគុណបាយបាយ